Okay, what's the solution of this? So let's just write it out and solve it. Let's see, just change up the color a little bit. Okay, we've got 16 equals negative d plus 6. We want to get the d's, even though there's one of them and it's negative. We want to get that by itself by getting rid of the constant. Oops. So we say minus 6, and we get 10 is equal to negative d. But we don't want to know what negative d is. We want to know what positive d is. So we've got to divide both sides by whatever's in front of d. What's in front of it? Negative. Negative what? Because it's always negative something, right? It's negative 1. You should know that if there's a 1 in front of a variable, you don't write it, even if it's got a negative after it, or before it. So we say 10 divided by negative 1 equals negative d divided by negative 1. We get negative 10 is equal to d. There it is. B is your answer. We're done.